When we talk about innovation, we usually imagine a world where ideas rise to the top and where the best inventions win and where creativity moves society forward. But today, I want to show you something most people actually never heard about. And that is a law designed to stop inventions from ever becoming public. It's called the Invention Secrecy Act of 1951, and it gives the U.S. government the power to put a lid on innovation, literally. Not because you failed, not because the idea was bad, but because someone in the government decided the world shouldn't see it. And what's wild is that we actually have documented examples of real patents that were once classified, silenced by this act, and only released years or decades later. Let's get into it. The reality of innovation under constraint. Innovation doesn't happen in the vacuum. It happens inside systems, right? Political systems, regulatory systems, national security systems. Your idea has to pass through more than just creativity. It has to pass through permission. The Invention Secrecy Act is one of the clearest examples of that, how the Invention Secrecy Act works. Here's the simplified chain. You invent something. You file a patent application. That application is screened for national security implications. If deemed detrimental to national security, the government can impose a secrecy order. Under that order, you are legally prohibited from publishing, talking about, marketing, commercializing, or even filing foreign patents. And your patent is withheld from public record. The invention, for all practical purposes, stops existing. And secrecy orders can be renewed indefinitely. Most secrecy order patents never become public. But we do have a few concrete examples, thanks to the Federation of American Scientists. Example number 1, U.S. Patent 9057604. It's a point-ahead laser pointer tracker systems with wavefront correction in both transmit and receive directions that was released in 2015 and that was originally under secrecy order. Example number 2, U.S. Patent 9115993. Title, Fuse PM Fiber Single Polarization Resonator, released in 2015, originally under secrecy order. This is a high-precision optical resonator, again, something with potential military or intelligence uses. Example number 3, U.S. Patent 9181140. Title, Solid Propellant Bonding Agents and Methods for Their Use. Release, 2015, and yes, it was originally under secrecy order. The FAS also reported 2 patent applications in 2016 that had been under secrecy orders for years or decades. One covered a controllable barrier layer against electromagnetic radiation, essentially a radome-style shielding technology for radar antennas. These examples prove something important. Even when secrecy orders are lifted, the world may be receiving these ideas years or decades later, long after their relevance or commercial potential has evaporated. So what does this mean for innovation, right? Here's what it means. Number 1, some breakthroughs never reach the public. Thousands of inventions sit in government vaults under secrecy orders. We only know about the few that eventually escape. And of course, we can't know all of them. It's a secrecy order. Number 2, innovation gets distorted. The marketplace doesn't reflect the best ideas, only the allowed ideas. Number 3, entire branches of technology can be delayed. A secrecy-gagged invention has fewer citations, fewer follow-on innovations, and less technological momentum even after release, right? Because it's been stifled. Number 4, innovators face invisible ceilings. You can be doing groundbreaking work and suddenly find yourself legally barred from sharing it, selling it, or even discussing it. Innovation isn't just engineering. Innovation is navigating the systems that decide what becomes real also. The next time you hear about the cutting edge technology, remember, there might be inventions more advanced than anything you see on the market today, but you may never hear about them. Not because they failed, but because they were silenced. And if you want more videos exploring innovation, subscribe. This is where we'll unpack the real story behind technologies, we'll get into the frameworks and discuss innovation here within the context of strategy, execution, and ethics as well.